Welcome to Buenos Aires, Argentina, a land of mate, great steak, and a side kiss hello. I'm into it. A digital revolution has occurred here in South America over the last decade, bringing convenience powered by technical innovation to daily life. And Mercado Libre has been leading the charge. Mercado Libre hosts the largest online commerce and payments ecosystem in Latin America. From fast home delivery and online marketplaces to secure payment tools for small businesses and individuals, Mercado Libre touches the lives of nearly 200 million Latin Americans every day. With 10,000 developers building the software that powers all of these customer experiences, GitHub's platform is a critical part of Mercado Libre's operations. And now, with GitHub Copilot, their developers can work faster and smarter than ever. Okay, let's grab an empanada and learn how GitHub makes this all possible.
Hola, I'm Sebastian Barrios. I'm Vice President of Technology at Mercado Libre. Mercado Libre operates in 18 different countries. We have hundreds of millions of users served by one of the largest tech teams on the planet, 14,000 technology experts, 10,000 of which are active developers writing code using GitHub every day. Mercado Libre's mission is to democratize commerce and access to financial systems. And we do this through our entire development of advanced technologies, helping our users live better lives. Latin America has a lot of different challenges to the rest of the world. So as Mercado Libre was growing its marketplace and e-commerce operations, one of the great barriers to growing the business was that people didn't have bank accounts, they didn't have credit cards or any way to transact electronically. And that's how Mercado Pago was born, in order to fulfill that need and to help a lot of Latin Americans get their first accounts, to be able to move money online, to start saving and paying for services and paying each other, to people that are sending money between family members whenever they're not able to do it in person, and has been very transformational for a lot of people. The way our platform is built and operated starts with GitHub. All the code lives there. All the interactions between our developers happens inside GitHub. So it's an amazing tool for us to really propel our teams forward.
Hola, my name is Lucia Brizuela. I'm a Senior Technical Director at Mercado Libre. In Mercado Libre, we build our own platform that is built on top of GitHub. The user interface is really friendly for our developers to share code, and also using GitHub Advanced Security, we make sure that every line of code is secure and ready to go to production. You don't need a degree to start a career as a technical developer in Mercado Libre. We invest the first 2 months making sure that they learn how to use technology and how to solve problems in a Mercado Libre way.
Mercado Libre is always looking for innovative tools to bring new solutions to its customers. One of these tools gaining interest from the team is GitHub Copilot. But what is GitHub Copilot? Well, great question, because this has us pretty excited.
I've been using GitHub Copilot on my personal projects, and I have definitely felt improvements of around 50% in iteration time. And we're excited when I think of how we could scale this up to the entire team. The process of getting started with GitHub Copilot is extremely simple. Just one checkbox on your IDE. After that, writing your first comment and then having the autocomplete system write the entire script for me was quite an amazing experience.
To show how much time it can save developers, we wanted to let a few of Mercado Libre's developers try it for the first time and capture it on camera.
It's actually completing the code that I'm writing right now.
It's so fast, it's so clear and so easy to use.
Good code.
Mira, la completa acá.
Acá también está el método completo. It takes all the parameters that it already requires.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It even takes the code that exists from other methods.
Wow.
Yeah, it's quite awesome, this.
Okay, it inferred the parameter function just from the comments reading. Yeah, you can do.
Nice.
It's really fast. It's like reading my mind.
It even recommends the variable names. I don't have to think that.
It's magical.
It's not magic, it's more like a large language model trained on a gazillion lines of code that understands and generates suggestions based on what developers want to do. But hey, we like that. GitHub Copilot. It's magic.
Myself and the entire team are extremely passionate about the work we do because we see it impacting the lives of the people around us. It really drives home the notion that we're not just working on random technology, but we're working on exciting problems that are having real impacts in people's lives. That's something that we really care about.
One of those small businesses that's made possible thanks to Mercado Libre's payment tools is Coffee Bike Rufus, a twist on the local coffee shop.
Soy adicto al café y soy fanático de las bicis. Así que hace unos 2 años atrás comencé con la idea de poder vender este café especial en la calle en una bicicleta. Después de la pandemia, la gente se acostumbró a no usar tanto dinero en efectivo. Entonces, hoy el 70% de las ventas que tengo son por medios digitales. Si no fuera Mercado Pago, las perdería.
Thanks in part to GitHub, Mercado Libre will continue their mission of delivering compelling technological and commercial solutions to consumers and businesses in Latin America. And this makes us really proud. Thanks, Mercado Libre, for your warm hospitality. Oh, right, sorry, forgot about the side kiss. Okay, see you next time.